So here is a short insight on how you can cancel the Westjet flight and what are the policies here. Now as you can see, if you scroll down, flexible change or cancel policies for travel affected by a travel advisory. Flexible change or cancel policies. So what you can do, if there is a current travel advisory for your destination on your trip dates, you have options. Westjet will waive the applicable change or cancellation fee, and you have the option to. So you have the option to change your travel date and or from the same destination. If there is a difference in fares, you won't be charged. Blackout dates may apply, however. Change your destination with or without changing your travel dates. If you are going to a close airport like Vancouver instead of Abbotsford, you won't be charged for any fare difference. If you choose to go to an airport that isn't geographically close, you'll pay the fare difference. If the new fare is less, the refund guidelines for fare types apply. Cancel your trip, you'll get a refund according to the guidelines for the original fare bundle. So you can see here, change or cancel option. If you want to change, you can simply go ahead, tap on change or cancel, then log into your account, view your flight details and cancel it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.